Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Funky Friday Discord server in just a few simple steps. Click the Funky Friday community server link in the search results to open the Discord invite page. Once the invite page loads showing the Funky Friday community server with the member count and online status, click the Accept Invite button to proceed. A CAPTCHA modal will ask if you're human. Click the I am human checkbox to verify and allow Discord to confirm you're not a bot. Discord processes the invite and loads your main Discord screen with the server now added to your list. Click the Funky Friday server icon in your server list on the left side to open the server. A welcome screen appears. Click the Get Started button to begin the onboarding process. You'll see a question asking what you want to do in this community. I'm selecting I'm here to chat. Click the Next button to move to the next onboarding step. The Read and Agree to Server Rules screen appears with the server rules displayed in the main panel. Click the Finish button to complete the setup and enter the server, and you'll see the main channel view with all available channels listed on the left. If the Accept Invite button doesn't respond, try refreshing the page and clicking it again. The CAPTCHA verification might appear multiple times if Discord detects unusual activity. Just complete it each time it shows up. Once you're in the server, you can find all the channels in the left sidebar organized by category. Start with the announcements or general chat channels to get familiar with the community. If you need to leave the server later, right-click the server icon and select Leave Server. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.